Shout out to my sponsors, ttabc, for sending me these headlights. They're the quad 4-beam dual headlights for 2018 to 2023. All models, SE, LE, TRD, and XSE. We're gonna do an installation video, so let's get started. Now we're gonna do the installation. To do the installation, to remove the headlights, you're gonna get to the bumper. So you're gonna remove the radiator cover grill. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 clips. Next step is removing the 1, 2, 3, and then there's going to be one more bolt in here on the side. Those are 10mm bolts. And then he's saying to remove the 4 bolts here, 10mm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got that moved. Now we're gonna pop the bumper up. By the way, guys, on the regular Camry, I had to modify this because it's breaking. But on the regular Camry, there's a screw right here and a 10mm bolt in here that you need to remove the bumper. And all of these right here on the fender liner are being held onto the bumper with those clips. Take out the push pins. There's that extra bolt. Oops. Guys, that's in the headlight. It's gonna be one in each side. Again, that's another 10mm bolt. Now you gotta go ahead and disconnect the headlight. Move all the bolts, it should pop out. We do the same thing on the other side. Pull it out, help a brother out, pull your bumper out. Since we didn't take the front bumper off, just pull it towards you so you get leverage so you can get it out. He's removing all the harnesses from the existing headlight. You guys can't see him, but shout out to my boy Than. And just like that, in 6 minutes, he took off the headlights. Now we're gonna install these quad headlights. We unwrapped it. We're about to connect the Demon quad beams. It comes with this wiring harness from ttabc in this box, but we don't need it. What we're gonna do is use our original existing harnesses, which he's gonna show you. Connect the main harness to the car harness. You should hear it click, like that. Throw the side marker and hear it click, like that. All you need is just those 3 wiring harnesses connected. Okay. It also comes with this wiring harness. It connects to each light, and this to the fuse box. Install the headlight, do reverse, you just reinstall it. We're gonna pull this so that he has some room. So obviously we did this without removing the whole bumper. Make sure you line up the headlight with the bolts like that. Anyway, yeah. And this one. Alright guys, we just installed the quad headlights. Now just do the reverse of what you just did.